Now there's some background noise over here, but here's the ear I promised to make with you. So first you make a magic ring and chain 2, does not count as a stitch, and make 10 double crochet into the ring. Pull and close, slip stitch into the first, focus, slip stitch into the first stitch, not the chain 2, but the first double crochet there, chain 2, does not count as a stitch. Now we'll make increase on every stitch, 1, so that will be 20 stitches. Slip stitch into the first double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in each stitch, so that's 20 double crochets. Just 1 double crochet in each stitch. Oh my goodness, I wasn't looking. I was looking at the video that I'm recording. Now that's 20. Slip stitch into the first double crochet, now chain 2, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, and 2 double crochet 2 together, two double crochet, 2 double crochet 2 together, I did not do that correctly. I think that's how I did last one. So 2 double crochet and decrease, 2 double crochet, decrease, now slip stitch into the first double crochet, chain 1, fold the work like this. Now make 6 single crochets, 1 into each. So take both loops, not both loops, I mean the both sides of the both sides of the double crochet rows, and single crochet them together. Chain 2 and cut, but leave a long tail so you can attach to your whatever that you're making, whatever that you made, balaclava or like a bonnet. Here we have 2 ears. Thank you for watching.